Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine. We were discussing about our chapter number 11, that is tongue and teeth, and in our earlier classes we have discussed about the tongue and the different teeth in our mouth. Now if we talk about the permanent teeth, then we have mostly four kinds of teeth in our mouth, that is incisors, canines, molars and premolars, right? So every human being will have these four kinds of teeth in the mouth. Now incisors, they are the set of 8 teeth, 4 in each jaw. Each jaw means this is the upper jaw, right? And this is the lower jaw. So each jaw, that means upper side 4 and lower side 4. So total 8 teeth we have, that is incisors. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, these are the incisors. Okay, 1 2 3 4, downside 1 2 3 4. Okay, so these are the incisors and how they help us. Suppose I am eating any apple. Okay, I will bite that apple. So I will use these teeth to bite the food. So incisors, they use this, they are helpful to bite the food. Now if we talk about canines, then they are the set of 4 teeth, 2, you can see here, sharp teeth. Okay, 2 in each jaw, means 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw, total 4. Okay, now how they are helpful? They help to tear the food. If I need to tear anything, okay, then I will use those teeth. So the canines, they help to tear the food. Then we have premolars. They are the set of 8 teeth, 4 in each jaw, 4 in upper jaw, 4 in lower jaw, and they need help to chew the food. So whenever we are chewing the food, we use generally our premolars. And if we talk about molars, then they are the set of 12 teeth, 6 in each jaw. In the last you can see these molars. Okay, and they help to grind the food. So students, we have generally 4 kinds of teeth, that is incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, so you add all these and you count whether it is coming to 32 or not. Okay beta. Then all these teeth, they work together to break the food into small pieces. And as I told you, it is very important to break the food into smaller pieces so that they can be swallowed properly and they can be digested nicely. Right beta? So all the teeth, it's a teamwork. All the teeth work together to make us chew the food and digest the food. Now, when the teeth are so important, it becomes our responsibility also to take care of these body parts, right? So, what are the different ways or what are the different problems we may suffer if we will not take the proper care of our teeth? Then, if we will not wash our mouth after eating the food, okay, then what will happen? All the bacteria will get settled there. Okay, and like we like food, bacteria also likes the food, so they start eating the food, and like that they start destroying our teeth also. Okay, so these bacteria or germs, they start growing, they start multiplying in our teeth, and one day they destroy our teeth. The teeth starts decaying. Okay, then what happens is a thin sticky layer starts forming on the upper side of the teeth. Okay, this sticky layer is also called plaque. Okay, the thin layer that is getting formed on the upper side of the teeth, that is also called plaque, and this layer destroys the shining surface of the teeth beta, right? And you know, these bacteria, they change the food into acids, which causes the tooth decay. That means these bacteria, when they start eating, they changes that food and they into acid, and this acid, it destroys our food. It helps our teeth to get decayed. Decay means sad jana. So it's a step by step process. Okay, so you have no, after eating food you are not washing your mouth clearly, nicely, so the food gets stuck there, then the bacteria gets attracted, then the bacteria starts forming a thin layer on the teeth, then it starts eating that food, then it starts changing the food into acid. This acid helps to decay the tooth, and it make hole in the teeth, that is also called cavity. Cavity is nothing, a deep hole that is made by the germs in the tooth, that is called the cavity, and this cavity can give us lot of pain, that is also called toothache. Ache means pain, so toothache means when we feel lot of pain in our tooth because of the decayed teeth, so that is called toothache. So students, these are the general problems that we face when we don't take care of our teeth properly. Now, what should we do to take care of our teeth? So very important is, after eating we should wash our mouth very clearly with water. So every time we eat food we should wash our mouth properly, right? Then we should brush our teeth with good toothpaste and toothbrush at least twice in a day. So early morning and before going to bed we should brush our teeth, so that night time the germs they get more active, and throughout the day you are eating something, so okay, so germs won't attack, so you need to clean your mouth before going to bed. So brush your teeth before going to bed. Same way, after you getting up from the bed, you get up from the bed, you need to wash your mouth, because whole night it is closed, so the germs they get very active. So early morning you need to clean your teeth in a proper way with the good brush and good toothpaste, right? Then we should also floss our teeth regularly. Means what? Sometimes in the gaps the food gets stuck. We may avoid that, but germs they know and they start attacking that food, and again we may get the tooth decay. So flossing is nothing but a thin thread like structure. So when we put in between the gaps of the teeth, it removes the stuck food. Okay, so if the food that whatever is getting stuck is removed, then our teeth will become very neat and clean, beta, right? Then we should always eat fresh fruits and vegetables, right? And teeth, it is made up of calcium, so we need to eat more fruits and vegetables, and that gives calcium to our teeth, that helps to keep our teeth healthy. Okay, then we should replace our toothbrush whenever it is worn out. Otherwise क्या होता है बेटा, हम same toothbrush use करते हैं. So we have gums here. Gums means something that is holding our teeth, okay, so that they won't get loose. So when we brush with the old brushes, what happens is these bristles of the brush they get very hard, okay, and they can harm our gums. फिर bleeding होती है, फिर उसमें pain होता है, so we can face many problems. So we should replace our toothbrush once in 2 months or 3 months, right? And we should use good quality toothbrush also, good quality toothpaste also, clean our teeth properly, right beta? Then we should have a regular visit to the dentist. That means regular doesn't mean daily, at least once in 6 months we can have a visit to our dentist, so that अगर कहीं छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम हो है मीन्स है ऑलरेडी, तो द डेंटिस्ट कैन फाइंड आउट, एंड छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम का छोटा सा सॉल्यूशन फटाफट हो जाएगा. बट इफ़ यू कीप ऑन हाइडिंग दैट, then one day the small problem can change into a big problem, right beta? So a regular visit to a dentist. Who is a dentist? Dentist is the person, it's a doctor actually, who takes care of our teeth, or whose work is to look after the teeth, right? So dentist is again a doctor of the teeth. Okay, so we should visit the dentist once in 6 months. So students, to keep our smile a beautiful smile and to keep our teeth shining, we need to follow some instructions, some rules, some guidelines, some safety measures, so that the germs won't attack our teeth and they won't destroy our teeth. We should not suffer from toothaches and other problems. But students, many children I have seen, even from the younger age only, small age only, they start having tooth decay. Why? Because the small children, they eat lot of chocolates, lot of sweets, biscuits and other sweet items, right? एंड उसके बाद वो वॉश नहीं करते हैं अपने टीथ को. छोटे बच्चे खूब चॉकलेट खाते हैं, टीथ को वॉश नहीं करते हैं. सो छोटी सी उम्र में उनके टीथ खराब हो जाते हैं बेटा. सो अवॉइड ईटिंग लॉट ऑफ चॉकलेट्स. इवन इफ यू आर ईटिंग, वॉश योर टीथ प्रॉपरली सो दैट यू कैन हैव अ स्माइलिंग face and beautiful, a good looking, sparkling, चमकने वाले दांत till your adult age also. Okay beta, so take care of your teeth, take care of your health. Have a nice day. Bye.